13, walking to the starting point of the walking tour. So, how are you feeling today? Good. Excited to go. Yeah, I'm excited to see what there is to offer here. So, let us see. Obsessed with her. She's so beautiful. Tour. It was really good. I would definitely recommend. We're about to have lunch at this, I mean, it's a restaurant slash someone's house. So we're gonna have soup. That's what they have on the menu today. There's like a pumpkin soup and a soup of legumes. So Elleke got the pumpkin and I got the legumes. But yeah, it's hard to put into words, so I'm not gonna try to because it's not my story to tell, but it's just a beautiful reminder of how powerful art can be. Not even that can be, how powerful art is, and how if, like, not just here in Colombia, there are so many examples of how art can transform and can bring joy and can bring light and can illuminate a situation, and it's just like, wow. I'm still processing, still trying to find the words, but thank you, Comuna 13, for having this tour, for being so open and friendly and inviting to tourists, because it wasn't always this way, and I'm very thankful to be able to be here and to hear their story and to experience how beautiful these people are. So here's my soup. It's a veggie soup. This is Elleke's. Buen provecho. Buen provecho. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Bien?
Yo, Xavier.
Xavier.
Bienvenidos a la Comuna 13, bienvenidos a la Luz 13 y gracias por estar aquí en las escaleras eléctricas.
Gracias. So, if you're in Comuna 13, come eat here with Xavier.
I love how
But they just brought a whole nother plate of food. I thought it was just gonna be rice. You know, he said rice and soy. I'm thinking, you know, a little rice, maybe some tofu chunks. Y'all, when I tell you, this is what Xavier just brought. And we already have soup. And now he's taking selfies. Look, look. This is Xavier's place. It has this little face. In case you're in Comuna 13, it's right at the top of the hill. Not the top of the hill, but the top of the road that the cars go on. So if you're here, eat there, because it was so good. And I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog for today. So if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you want more, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. And leave your comments because I love to chat with you. Until next time, bye. I think we're actually trespassing.
Yeah, but that happens a lot here in Colombia.
I don't know if there's another way out.
Yeah.
Or an easy way out that way.